We're on the road again. We're probably on number 7 or 8 for the day. Been busy. We're headed up in the Cherokee to meet up with Dustin in the Duramax rollback on the Sheep's Bridge Road for a sheriff's dispatch on a rollover. So we're gonna sneak out there and see if we can get him taken care of. And we had to stop to do the intro because it's so dang washboardy and a howling rear end and all the noise and ruckus going on. So we're gonna get up the road to go help Dustin, and we'll take you along for the ride. I just got chased down by a motorhome in reverse on a dirt road. Is that a Duramax rollback on a dirt road? I think that's a rollback on a dirt road. another off-road recovery. Duramax on a dirt road, rollback on a dirt road, and it's miserable driving to the west this time of night, in case you're wondering. We had a busy day today. I think we did 8 or 9 recoveries. That's about like the rest of the last 30 days. Just been busy. So we're gonna keep on the move. I'm not gonna let the grass grow under our feet. And we're gonna have a ball doing what we're doing. I don't even know what to say. But that was a little bit of a rollover on the Sheep's Bridge Road there, and come out and scooped it up, and we'll put it all together and put it up on the YouTube for you. And thanks for coming along for